Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to integrate Stripe Payment Gateway in websites. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, visit stripe.com and sign into your account. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, navigate to the Payment section. Here you'll find an option labeled Payment Links. Click on it. This section allows you to create direct payment links for your products or services, which is perfect for integrating payments into any website. Once you're on the Payment Links page, select Create Payment Link. Now you'll be prompted to fill in details for your product, including the name, description, and price. Stripe also lets you choose your currency, add tax settings, and configure other important details depending on your business requirements. Take a moment to review and ensure that all your details are accurate. You'll also notice advanced settings that let you add extra options such as discount codes, shipping fees, or conditional logic for specific payment conditions. Once you're done setting everything up, click Create Link. Stripe will instantly generate a unique payment link for your product or service. Copy this link. It's what you'll embed or share on your website. You can add it to buttons, banners, or any section where you want customers to initiate a purchase. And that's it. So that is how you can integrate Stripe Payment Gateway in websites. So that's all for this video. Thanks.